Welcome, Success Family, my enlightened keepers of Owen Allen Media, alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Vybz Kartel has earned a Grammy nomination for his album Party With Me, which he dropped from behind bars just before his anticipated release from prison. This recognition is a powerful moment not only for Vybz Kartel but also for dancehall culture, showing that even under challenging circumstances, Kartel artistry continues to break barriers. In a time where aesthetics and image are central to music success, I believe Vybz Kartel being released from prison and everything surrounding Vybz Kartel could give him the edge to bring home this Grammy, right? Aesthetics is everything right now, and it's just the look of it that people really want to see. So it looked good that Vybz Kartel came from prison, doing very well and take home a Grammy. Shenseea has also snagged a Grammy nomination, going head-to-head with Vybz Kartel. If Shenseea takes home the win over Kartel, it wouldn't be a shock to me personally, because Shensea's album stands as an impressive body of work, showcase her growth and talent as an artist. Both nominations are massive for dancehall music, proving that dancehall artists are making waves on the global stage. So congratulations to Shenseea and Vybz Kartel, and any one of them who win the Grammy, it's also good because Vybz Kartel is my favorite artist and Shenseea is also my favorite artist, and if Shenseea take it home, I will be happy. Kartel take it home, it will be good, just the same, right? So big up Shenseea and Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel recently held a press conference for his highly anticipated Freedom Street concert on December 31st. When have we ever saw this? A dancehall artist press conference for his show. Vybz Kartel shared many exciting news and hints that some of the world's biggest musicians will be attending. Vybz Kartel mentioned that his longtime friend Busta Rhymes and none other than Drake, the iconic Canadian rapper, will be there. Drake has been a long-time supporter of Vybz Kartel, backing him before, during and after his prison release. Drake's presence will undoubtedly add a massive star power to the show. Vybz Kartel also hinted that prominent female rappers, likely including Nicki Minaj and Cardi B, will be there to show their support. Check out the video.
You can call one name now. I'm a brethren through the years, like for over 15 years. Busta Rhymes will be there, and Canadian rappers will be there. Exactly, read between the lines. So, exactly, and female rappers will be there as well. So it's going to be an amazing event. So the foreign people, they might come out, they might come represent for Kartel. A lot of world-renowned rappers will be there, passing through. Because as Joe said, the show is Vybz Kartel's return. After 12 years, 10 months, 6 days, 14 hours, 12 minutes.
Who's counting?
Well, who's counting? So the people can expect pleasant surprises alongside prizes. Yes.
Will this be like a Gaza reunion because persons are expecting that?
I mean, you could say that. You could say that because a lot of them are going to pass through. But I want to be listening.
If you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. It's easy to forget that Vybz Kartel is a global superstar, especially with his constant presence in the media and his dedication with engaging with the community and the fans at large. Another major announcement is that Vybz Kartel has regained his US visa and will be heading to the UK for a significant show after being invited by Live Nation to headline. This is a big thing for Vybz Kartel personally, but it's also a big thing for dancehall music. And remember, for years fans have speculated that if Vybz Kartel had his US visa, he would dominate locally and internationally, and Vybz Kartel was already dominating locally, right? And now he's finally preparing to make his mark in the United States and in the UK.
But I've got a lot of offers from US, from Canada, from UK. As a matter of fact, Live Nation, which is a wireless festival, which is one of the biggest festivals in the world, I'm doing it next year in the United Kingdom. We're supposed to do Queens in America and maybe Canada. I'm not sure about the Canada 100%.
Vybz Kartel has signed a new album deal and has already secured collaboration with heavyweights like Drake, Nicki Minaj and Cardi B. These major collaborations are sure to feature on his album, which will make his album a massive success. Vybz Kartel is smartly setting up for his first album since his prison release, and definitely this will be a chart-topping success. And as a fan, I couldn't be more excited. We do not need any singles with any of these big names. We only need it on the album.
Vybz Kartel, other than the rum and the grabber, what's next?
Just putting out music. We have an album coming out, we sign a deal, but we're not going to talk much about it. have a collaboration with Nicky, we have a collaboration with Cardi, and my son just by Hardy. You know? So you expect greatness, and as I say, God we are dealing with and life.
So Vybz Kartel also shared an inspiring message with the youths and said that he will be getting married to see them on his birthday. I'm now wondering if Kartel will release the album on his birthday, which would be a memorable double celebration, 2 for 1.
Because like I said, when I was in prison, I literally got on my name. Why? I literally I pray to God and I say, Father God, if you carry me out of the situation, I never stop praising him, I never stop shouting him. And I'm a tattoo the thing on my face, so you say, love God, twice actually on my face. And talk to God, read my Bible, and him answer my prayer, and I'm forever grateful for that. When I come out, I see them, we engage, and me and my kids them reunite. I just try to live my best life, behave myself, show back love, show back support to the fans, give back, become a bless. And that's it, so change is good though.
Speaking of kids, we see you all over with your sons. They're following in your footsteps.
You say my girl is saying me a one burner. Me.
Yeah, right?
So, yes.
And are you
Now to fans worldwide, Vybz Kartel promised that Freedom Street concert will be unforgettable. Kartel acknowledged Joe's immense effort and meticulous planning to ensure the event's success. Also, Kartel confirmed it will be a Gaza reunion featuring Popcorn, Tamili, Sheba, Lisa Hype, and many more, making it truly a special gathering for Empire fans from back in the days.
All the bars, the food vendors will be ready for you. The DJs will be juggling and holding a vibe with you from start to finish. You know, I'm gonna like this. But what I'm gonna say is that it's gonna be amazing. The king of dancehall, Spice will be there as the queen, Skillibeng as the prince, my two sons, Liquor Vybz, Liquor Addy, plus we have a lot of cameo appearances, Tamili, Sheba, Popcorn, you name it. They'll all be there. So we want everybody to come out from Shirley and support the event. It's something that even the weather can prevent. So we need everybody to be there. It's going to be an amazing. You know, Joe spend a lot of time and effort into the events, right? So it's going to be amazing. So any questions, ask me now.
Alright, so that's the video for today. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out. Alright, hold on. Anybody who thinks that Vybz Kartel should win the Grammy, let me know in the comment section. Anybody who think Shenseea should win the Grammy, let me know in the comment section. And anybody who think that any other artist was snubbed from the Grammy nomination, let me also know in the comment section. Alright, I'm out.